Hello. This series of courses is for you if you want to become a hacker. Now, hacker as in skillful programmer, not as in criminal. So ask yourself, do I want to program in anything, on anything, solving real problems to create anything I want or need? Well, if that is so, then this series of courses may be just what you're looking for. And if you would like to be able to program microcontrollers for your own PCB designs in assembly or C, or maybe also doing the AI in your new game idea in Lisp, or why not design and implement a distributed service architecture for a mixed language enterprise ecosystem in Java, or implement lighting effects using materials in Blueprint in Unreal Engine. Hey, they're just random examples, but I've done them all. If you want to do all these things, you have to become a programmer. Or, as that word has been unfortunately shifted to mean single language coder, you need to become a hacker. I call that a guerrilla programmer. And this series of courses is right on the money. So what is guerrilla programming? It is extremely simple in theory, yet in practice it requires balls the size of planets. Because a guerrilla programmer has one overriding motto, which isn't really popular nowadays. A program or system should only be shaped by the problem it solves. These courses are about satisfying a genuine interest in programming. They should enable and support a true desire and joy to solve problems and create stuff. This course, Before the Code, the Basics, is the first in the series. It addresses two topics. The first one is how to organize and record ideas using flowcharts, pseudocode, and mathematical models. The second one is how to count properly and apply logic the right way, or in other words, the basics of discrete mathematics. The series is all about how to solve problems in such a way that the solutions can be implemented on a computer. When I say computer, I mean anything that has a processor of some sort. Solving problems in such a way that a computer can implement the solutions is so fundamental to software engineering that it has, just as all other engineering disciplines, its own science discipline backing it up. The science behind software engineering is computer science. Beyond the Code is a crash course in the most basic computer science concepts. The theoretical minimum, if you will, of what you need to understand to become a guerrilla programmer. Now, do not panic. Computer science may sound imposing, and yes, we will need to address some mathematics. But it will not go beyond what you should have picked up at high school or equivalent. Trust me when I say that to program well you only need two abilities. The ability to count properly, and the ability to apply logic in the right way. And that's all there is to it. Well, sort of. So how to do this course? The course consists of a number of lectures. These lectures for each course are grouped into a playlist on the YouTube channel. I will regularly select relevant questions from the comments and answer them in dedicated videos that will be added to the specific course playlist. If it pans out that there is a considerable interest in online personal assistance or mentoring for a course, I will take steps to provide a virtual classroom and discussion forum. We'll see how that pans out. If you want to be super awesome and support the effort of creating and maintaining the Zanydiculous Guerrilla Programming course and tutorial series, you can make a donation towards this effort on the Zanydiculous website. There is some recommended reading for the Before the Code course series. It's a book called Computer Science Distilled by Vladstone Ferreira Philo. I have used this book when I taught physical classes in basic computer science before, and it is an excellent companion to this course series as well. By now I guess you have understood that these courses are not about form. I focus completely on the content and leave out all bells and whistles. If Infocom made courses, this is what they would look like. And now, without further ado, let's get cracking, or should I say hacking.